Did you know that the lemon peel, the part most discarded, harbors a hidden power that can purify your body, calm your mind, and revitalize your spirit? Yes, while many toss away the peel, you are about to learn how a simple lemon peel tea can transform your health from the inside out. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because what you're about to discover may change forever how you see the lemon. Let's begin. The hidden power in lemon peel. We all know lemon for its sour juice, its fresh aroma, its role in drinks and cooking. But what few realize is that the true healing potency of the lemon lies in its peel, the vibrant yellow outer layer often discarded without a second thought. Lemon peel is rich in essential oils, flavonoids, and antioxidants such as limonene, areocitrin, and hesperidin. These compounds support liver detoxification, neutralize free radicals, modulate inflammation, and boost immunity. While lemon juice is acidic, the peel has alkalizing effects, helping balance the pH of your body and counteracting hidden chronic inflammation that drags down your energy, mood, and vitality. By turning the peel into a tea, you unlock these compounds in a drinkable, gentle, and oral form that your body can easily absorb. Benefits of lemon peel tea. Here's what making and drinking a tea from lemon peel can do for your body and mind. Deep detoxification. It stimulates liver enzymes, aiding the removal of toxins and metabolic waste. Immune support. Strengthens your defenses against viruses, bacteria, and internal inflammation. Improves digestion. Helps with bloating, gas, indigestion, and sluggish digestion. Reduces anxiety and stress. The aroma and natural compounds work on your nervous system, promoting calm, clarity, and mood balance. Balances body pH. Counters acidity and oxidative stress, encouraging more alkaline internal terrain. Supports weight management. Boosts metabolism and supports fat-burning pathways. Skin radiance and anti-aging. Neutralizes free radicals, supports collagen, reduces oxidative damage to skin cells. Reduces fluid retention. Mild diuretic effects support kidney and urinary health. Mental clarity and focus. The lemon peel's aroma and compounds invigorate brain function, sharpen focus, and reduce mental fog. Prevents premature aging. Powerful antioxidants protect cellular integrity and delay aging processes. Beyond just physical benefits, this tea can become a ritual of renewal, aligning body, mind, and spirit in a daily practice of transformation. How to make lemon peel tea the right way. This is simple, practical, and full of potency. Ingredients you'll need. 1 organic lemon, preferably pesticide-free. 250 to 300 milliliters of water, about 1 cup. Optional, a small piece of fresh ginger or a sprig of mint. Optional, a small amount of raw honey if you need slight sweetness. Steps. Thoroughly wash the lemon, ideally with a brush, to remove waxes or residues. Peel only the yellow outer part, the zest, minimizing the white pith as it is bitter, though some pith is allowable. Bring the water to a boil, then turn off the heat. Add the lemon peel and optional ginger or mint to the hot water. Cover and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink while still warm. You may optionally squeeze a bit of fresh lemon juice into it for brightness, but avoid over-acidifying. The principle is to extract the volatile oils and active compounds gently, not to aggressively boil them away. How many times per week? To harness benefits without overdoing it. 3 to 5 times per week is typically ideal, preferably in the morning, on an empty stomach, or in the evening before bed. Morning use supports detox processes and primes your metabolism for the day. Evening use helps calm your system, ease digestion, and support restful sleep. Avoid drinking more than 2 cups in one day to avoid potential digestive irritation or sensitivity in those with delicate stomachs. Important precautions and safety notes. Always try to use organic lemons, as conventional ones may carry pesticide residues, especially on the peel. Pregnant individuals, nursing mothers, or people with gastritis or ulcer issues should consult a qualified healthcare provider before regular use. Do not overboil the peel for long periods. Extended heating can degrade or volatilize beneficial oils. If you tolerate citrus poorly or have acid reflux, begin with small amounts. Store leftover peel in your refrigerator up to 2 days or freeze small portions for future use. Be aware of medication interactions. Citrus peel compounds may interact with certain medications, especially those affecting liver enzymes. Consult a professional if you're on chronic drugs. How the tea touches mind, mood, and energy. The effect is not only physical. The aroma of lemon peel acts directly on limbic regions of the brain tied to emotion, memory, and stress regulation. Compounds like limonene and citral modulate the release of cortisol, the stress hormone, and boost neurotransmitters like serotonin and GABA, promoting calm, clarity, and emotional equilibrium. You may begin to feel a lift in your energy, a clearing of mental fog, and a deep sense of lightness, as though you've pressed a reset button inside you. When consumed regularly, the tea becomes more than a drink. It acts as a daily purification ritual, a moment of reconnection with your inner self, a ritual of inner renewal. Turning this tea into a ritual amplifies its power. While the peel steeps, take a few deep breaths, tune inward, and visualize each drop purifying your cells, releasing stress, dissolving toxins. Let the citrus scent fill the air. As you sip, silently affirm, I release the old. I cleanse my body, mind, and spirit. I renew myself. That simple act of intentionality and awareness magnifies the benefits, energetically, emotionally, and physically. Extra tips to amplify results. Pair with whole, clean foods. Favor vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, and lean proteins to allow detox systems to function well. Stay well hydrated. Clean water throughout the day helps your body flush toxins released by the tea. Combine with mindful breathing or meditation. While sipping your tea, practice deep breathing. The citrus aroma enhances calm and focus. Prioritize quality sleep. Detox and mental cleansing happen most when your body rests deeply. Moderate stress and movement. Gentle exercise, such as walking, yoga, or stretching synchronizes your body's detox systems. Track your progress. Keep a journal. Note how your digestion improves, your skin changes, your energy, your mood. Transformation, invitation, and conclusion. This lemon peel tea is not just a beverage. It's an invitation to reset, renew, and reclaim vitality. In a world saturated with noise, toxins, and mental overwhelm, it reminds you of the power of simplicity, nature, and mindful habit. By embracing what many discard, the peel, you reclaim something powerful, your inner balance, clarity, and health. Let this tea be the beginning of a deeper journey toward cleaner living, awakening, and greater harmony between body and mind. So don't wait. Get an organic lemon, brew your peel tea, and step into this daily ritual. Watch your body become clearer, your emotions lighter, your mind more present. Here's to your renewal.